All right, guys, we got you guys a beautiful Chevy Z71 Silverado, 5.3 liter trail boss. Really beautiful truck. He's gonna do a 2-inch lift on it, put bigger tires on it. It's gonna look really sexy once it's done. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converter there and there. Then it winds into a single. It don't have the dreaded third cap, which is awesome. So we can true dual this. We put a FLOWMASTER Super 10, as you guys can see right there. Then 3-inch pipe out the back, dualed out the back into 2 1/4 on each side. Then the part number on the FLOWMASTER was 842516. Then we did a rear resonator delete on each side, there and there. Into quad tips, he's gonna cut those hanger ends off. They forgot to cut them, guys. It's okay, that's why we do the video, so we make sure we catch all this stuff. There, and then we put quad tips on it, there and there. Looks a lot better. We took these tips that come on it. Originally, the chrome ones have 4 bolts, so you just unbolt the 4 bolts there on each side, and they pop off. And then you can put quad tips, different style tips on it, as you guys can see right there. Look a lot better, just nice black color. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And that's sound decibels on the corner. So it tells you how many sound decibels it is. Ooh, much better. FLOWMASTER Super 10. Much better. Rev it up a little bit more. It won't. Yeah, it's the rev limiter. Again. One more. Here's sound decibels. Again. 97. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, that's deep. Nice. What do you guys think? Sounds good. Super 10 always sounds good on these. On anything, just about. They really outdid themselves when they did it. Let you guys hear on the inside. FLOWMASTER Super 10 Z71. Quad tips, resonator delete, a little bit of everything. I like it.